Ever wondered how Debbie Mackenzie make the perfect loaf cake? How about a delicious banana version? That's right, today we're diving into the art of baking a scrumptious banana loaf cake. Picture this: 125 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 190 grams of self-raising flour, 60 milliliters of milk, a single egg, and 2 or 3 ripe bananas. These simple ingredients are all you need to craft a mouth-watering treat. Begin by melting the butter, sugar, and vanilla together in a saucepan. This saucepan should be large enough to hold all the ingredients. Remember, it's not necessary to boil the mixture, just heat it until the butter melts into the mix. Once the butter has completely melted, it's time to add the flour, milk, mashed bananas, and egg. Stir it all together until it's well combined. The consistency should be smooth and uniform with no lumps. Now pour the batter into a greased loaf tin. You could also line the tin for easy removal later. For this recipe, a silicone loaf tin works best, but any loaf tin will do. Then place the tin in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it bake for 40 to 50 minutes. After 45 minutes, check the cake. If a skewer inserted into the middle comes out clean, it's done. If not, give it a few more minutes. And there you have it, a delectable banana loaf cake, perfect for a cozy afternoon tea or a breakfast treat. It's a simple recipe, but the result is a moist, flavorful cake that's sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. To recap, we melted butter, sugar, and vanilla in a saucepan, added flour, milk, mashed bananas, and an egg, mixed until combined, poured the batter into a loaf tin, and baked until golden and cooked through. So next time you find yourself with a few overripe bananas, why not turn them into a delicious banana loaf cake? If you like this channel, please like and subscribe. Enjoy every bite of this banana-infused goodness.
Imagine a cake so delicate, so moist, and so rich, it simply melts in your mouth. Picture a tantalizing aroma of ripe bananas, interwoven with the sweet scent of vanilla and a hint of nutmeg. You've just envisioned the Debbie Mackenzie banana cake, a delightful dessert that promises to take your taste buds on a culinary adventure. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While waiting, grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Then, set it aside. Take 3 to 4 ripe bananas and mash them in a bowl. The riper the bananas, the better the flavor. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the mashed bananas. This not only enhances the banana flavor, but also prevents the bananas from browning. Stir well and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine 2½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir well. This mixture will give the cake its structure and lift. Now, cream together 3/4 cup of softened butter and 2 1/8 cups of sugar until light and fluffy. This helps incorporate air into the batter, making the cake light and tender. To this mixture, add 3 large eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, alternating with 1½ cups of buttermilk, beginning and ending with the flour mixture. Stir in the banana mixture. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake for about 1 hour or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, prepare the frosting. Beat 1/2 cup of softened butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream until fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue to beat until well combined. Once the cake is done and has cooled, spread the frosting evenly over the top. Your Debbie Mackenzie banana cake is now ready to be savored. In summary, the key to a perfect banana cake lies in using ripe bananas, creaming the butter and sugar until fluffy, and alternating the addition of the dry and wet ingredients. Finish it off with a rich frosting, and you've got a cake that's sure to impress. Happy baking!